How to set up a Scan to Network folder for the HP Color LaserJet Pro 3301 through 3304 and 3388 printer series. Setting up a Scan to Network folder allows you to save a scanned document or image to a shared network folder directly from the control panel of your printer. To configure the network scan folder, you must access the Printer Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short. Note: before getting started, make sure the printer is connected to the same network as the computer. On the printer control panel, swipe down the status center from the top center to display the printer IP address. On a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and type the printer IP address into the address bar. Press Enter to access the EWS. If you receive a warning screen, select the option to proceed to the site. Accessing the printer EWS will not harm your computer. Select Quick Sets from the left pane. Note: if prompted to enter a PIN, type the printer PIN code found on the inside of the toner access door. Select Sign In. From the Quick Sets menu, select the plus icon. Select the drop-down. Select Network Folder as the Quick Set type and then select Next. Enter a name to display on the control panel in the Quick Set name field. Enter a description. And if you would like, choose a Quick Set Start option. Then select Next. Under Network Folder Path, enter the path you previously created. Under Sign-In Method, select Use the following credentials. Enter your username and password. Select Verify Access to confirm the credentials are correct. Select OK. Under Security PIN option, enter a security PIN, then confirm your PIN. This PIN must be entered on the control panel each time the profile is used to send a scan to a network folder. Select Next. Select your default settings for future scans and then select Next. Note: to change the default scan settings later, go to Scan and select the Scan to Network folder in the left pane. Change your settings and then select Apply. From the summary page, select Next. Select OK to finish.